Crazy Green is here again, guys, with another exciting recipe. It is mango season, and today I'm gonna make for you something with mango. I'm gonna make some hot roast mango chicken with some vegetable rundown. I have no doubt that you're gonna love it. So come join me in the kitchen, though. That's where the fun is at. So our chicken was left to marinate for 15 minutes. This is what it looks like. So now it's time to start cooking. Okay guys, so after we have finished pot roast our chicken, this is what it looks like. Now we're gonna go ahead and saute it with our mangoes. Okay guys, so this is a pot roast mango chicken with vegetable rundown. Guys, it looks amazing, it smells amazing, and it tastes great. The honey, the mango, the vodka, everything on that chicken makes it fantastic. Not to mention that Jamaican jerk seasoning, it makes the chicken taste so good. I know you guys see me trying to do that flambe and it didn't work out, but don't worry yourself, in a future video I'm sure I'll get it right. But in the meantime, you go ahead and you try out this recipe. I have no doubt you're going to love it, and it's very easy to make. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you next week with another crazy idea. Mwah.